Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to join the Medium Partner Program. Joining the Medium Partner Program allows you to earn money based on how many people read and engage with your content. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to join the Medium Partner Program. If you don't already have a Medium account, sign up for one at medium.com. Use your email address, Google or Twitter to create an account. Once you're signed in, before applying to the partner program, you need to have published at least one story on Medium. Write a high-quality article that is likely to engage readers. And after writing, click on the Publish button at the top right corner to make your article live. Click on Write to write. Ensure you meet the eligibility requirement. Become a Medium member. So first, just click on this profile icon here and select Become a Medium member to become a Medium member. You need to be a paying Medium member. Now, you can subscribe for a monthly or annual membership at Medium membership. So, member $5 USD per month, friend $15 USD per month. Choose any of the platforms for monthly, or you can pay annually. Then you need to have a Stripe account. The Medium Partner Program requires you to set up a Stripe account for payment purposes. So you can create one for free at the Stripe website or on the Stripe website. And then be located in a supported country. The Medium Partner Program is available in many countries, but not all. So make sure your country is eligible for payments through the program. Now, how can you sign up for the Media platform, the Media Partner Program? Log into your Medium and open your profile menu, which we have in here in the top right corner. And from the drop-down menu, select apply to the partner program, and it takes you here. Once you're done, go ahead and click on Apply Now. Then select the country. And select Next. So remember, I told you to do these steps before you start. Now, once you're done, let's say you have completed the steps. The next thing to do is to carefully review the terms and conditions for joining the partner program that will be presented to you. And once you've read them, click on the button that indicates you to agree to terms. You'll be prompted to link your Stripe account to Medium for payment. Now follow the instructions to either create a new Stripe account or connect an existing one. After successfully joining the partner program, any eligible article you publish can begin earning money. The more reads and claps your article receives from Medium members, the more you earn. The partner program is based on engagement from paying Medium members, so the better your content platforms, the more money you can earn. You can view your earnings in the partner program section under your profile. Your earnings will be based on engagement and the time members spend reading your content. Make sure your content complies with Medium's content guidelines. And if your articles are flagged or violate Medium's rules, you could lose access to your partner program. Ensure you maintain high quality original content that adheres to the standards of the platform. To maximize your earnings, continue writing and publishing articles consistently. Explore different topics, writing styles, and formats to see what resonates most with your readers. Write engaging titles and headers. Promote your articles and engage with other writers. Of course, analyze your stats. So track your stats and see which articles are earning the most. Adjust your strategy to focus on what works best. By following these steps, you can successfully join the Medium Partner Program to start earning revenue from your writing. Now go over to tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.